So you know what I'm doing? I've been in the room over here, and you guys have probably seen it already, but of course we shoot our videos not necessarily in order, or these ones are like pre-recorded like a week or so ahead of time. Anyways, I'm trying to set up my very first live because we're doing a whole bunch of live videos for you guys that they've come out already. Whatever. Anyways, it's not as easy as one thinks, but I think I'm getting there. You know, I may have to. There may be some hit and misses between it. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys this right here, right here, right there. Yeah, Kemimoto. More stuff. They're gonna. I might as well just put Kemimoto stickers all over my ATV. Anyways, this I think will be useful because I want Mary to be able to come with me on rides. Nothing overly aggressive, but you know, that's the reason we got it, is so we could go out together. And I think depending on how she sits on the back, you know, two up ATVs have a place in the back to put your feet, whereas single rider ATVs, don't. So these are to help you, I think, kind of get your heels into spot so that your feet aren't just dangling. So we'll take a quick look at these, and then we'll go put them on the ATV. See how they work. Okay, so these aren't overly expensive. So if you're looking for something just to be able to have with you on occasion, maybe you throw them in your bag, whatever, just so they're on the ATV, not necessarily attached, but on. These could be good. And I think, as far as I know, really easy to install. So this is them. I really only need to show you one. So see how this, maybe I'll put it up like this. So this, see this? It's like this goes down, and your heel sits in here so that it has a place for it to hang. And then this part, of course, kind of goes up the rear fender. And then you have these ties, which you put on your rack, and you can put them kind of wherever you need to on your rack so that these kind of sit at the right height. They have these little D's, and I think, as far as I can tell, maybe, I'm not 100% sure, this would be possibly to like maybe make up some room, maybe? I don't know. I'll have to look, because I'm like, why is there Velcro here? Unless you're gonna somehow put it up like this, which doesn't make any sense at all. So we'll figure that out. I have a feeling this is gonna be a short video. Anyways, we got two of these, one for each leg, because most of us have two legs, and we'll see what we think. All right, let's go outside. All right, see all the snow? So much snow, so much snow. We had no snow. Now we have so much snow. Look at my poor ride, Yep. Anyways, I'm gonna put this here for now. Somehow. And I got these. And this one's, you know, doesn't auto start. I have it set to auto start, but it doesn't want to auto start. I don't know why. Anyways, I have these, which is cool, but I think I have to somehow, should have brought gloves out or something. Anyways, I'm gonna undo this, and then we'll take a look. All right, I think that's off enough, so we get an idea of how these mount. Okay, as you can see, again, I haven't taken these out yet, so these will have to go through some tightening, but you get the idea. So let's do this, actually. Make it easier for you guys. These should be, in theory, nice and easy. And I'm still not 100% what this Velcro is for. The only thing I can think of is so that you can fold them up when you're not using them, right? You can just kind of fold these up and just kind of be like, you know, undo this, and then somehow I thought maybe that's not right. Anybody know what I'm supposed to do with that? When you want to use them, these undo, yes, like so, and you can adjust these straps so that they're the right length. And this, just, you click it on like so, you click it on like so, right? Figure out the length that it needs to be so they're up a little bit, right? For so someone that's in the back, yes, okay. And then when you don't need them, you take that, and my guess is you could take that and tuck it up in here and then Velcro it, right? And then use that Velcro strap, maybe. Just, or I don't know. Maybe I'm full of crap. I don't know what I'm talking about. Just do that. Does that stick? Nope. All right, I have to figure that out. But this one there, okay, I like what's going on there. Number two, for me, I would just undo them. I don't know why you would strap it on there. Maybe some people have something here that you could, you know, strap this to. Maybe, I'm guessing, possibly. But yeah, I would definitely just take these off if I wasn't using it. Key is, will this go around my cup holder? I think the answer to that could be yes. Doesn't need to. It can go like right in here. And I like that there's two straps just to give it that extra strength, which is nice. And this fits well with the bags as well. All right, so that's down like that. Okay, good. And then, if you're riding on the back, per se, you could get your feet. Oh yeah, see? Right? I'd probably want them up higher, of course. Like for me, I think that would be like plenty high, right? Plenty high up there. Yeah, I think so. But Mary doesn't have as long legs as I do, so we'd have to tense it up a little bit, get it up. But yeah, I think that'll work good. All right, guys, so I'm going to take these off because I'm not actually going to go riding today, and I'm definitely not riding with Mary anytime soon. So, clamp these. Now, the other thing I like about them too, right, is once they're on, it's so easy to just, I'll just put this one here. It's so easy to just kind of tighten them, like super fast, right? To get them just as tight as you need to bring that up or down. So, that's kind of nice too. All right, guys, that's the Kemimoto passenger foot straps. But yeah, I'm going to take them off, and super easy to use them when you need them. Take them off when you don't. Sweet. All right, guys, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. Let me know if you guys have used them and what your thoughts are. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Later.